It's that time of year again when I make birthday cakes for my nieces. And so for Haley, I'm going to make her a chocolate Dubai pistachio cake. And Dubai chocolate has been trending on social media for about 6 months now. And apparently it just hit the St. Louis area because I cannot find pistachio cream anywhere in the store. It's sold out. And I bought it before, but not in St. Louis. I've been to a bazillion stores. No one has pistachio cream. So I'm going to make my own. I'm going to make pistachio butter. There is a difference between pistachio butter and pistachio cream. And this bag of pistachios at Walmart, and it's not even a pound, was $11. This is like really stressed me out because there is like 10 different ways to make pistachio butter and pistachio cream. There's like a bazillion different videos and everyone does it differently. So I've watched them all and I'm still not exactly 100% for sure how I want to do it. First thing is I am going to grind them up. These are peeled, like there's no shells, but they still have like this like brown shell, like not a brown, I don't know, skin. And some people soak the nuts and peel that off. And I don't have time for that. So the only thing, it doesn't really change the flavor. What it does is it makes the pistachio cream like dark green instead of like bright green. So if you really want the bright green, you have to take the time and peel off that skin. I don't have that time. And this is going to be in between a cake, so you're not going to be able to see the color anyway. So I added half the bag to get it ground up a little bit, and now I'm going to add the rest of the bag. And, you know, everyone says, like, grind it for a couple minutes. Some people say grind it for 30 minutes. It's like, this is the problem. Everyone has a different way to do it. This is a long process. It's starting to get creamy. This is 20 minutes blending. And a lot of recipes only do it for like 2 or 3 minutes. And then they add like heavy whipping cream and white chocolate. And I think that's just so they don't have to blend it as long. I'm still going to add, this is the coconut oil melted down, and I am going to add a little powdered sugar. But if you wanted a true pistachio butter, you don't add anything. You just blend it until it turns into like a peanut butter. But I want to have it a little more creamy because it's going to be the center of a cake. And so that's why I'm going to add a little coconut oil and powdered sugar. Okay, so this was 12 ounces of pistachios. I would have preferred a pound, but they only had 12-ounce bags and they were $11. I used 1/3 cup of coconut oil, and then I used about half a cup of powdered sugar. And now remember, if you wanted it bright green, you take the skins off. I don't have time for that. It's still like, it's green. It's not like bright like if you would have bought it from the store, but I'm going to be mixing it with kataffi, and it's going to be covered in icing. So I taste tested it. It tastes like pistachio butter. So yeah, this cost me like basically $14 to make. And I guess this is about 12 ounces. Since I did not add milk or that white chocolate, this technically does not need to be refrigerated. I'm going to be using it all up tonight in a cake anyway. But a lot of people, like when they do it this method, they just put it in a jar and eat it within a couple weeks. In the refrigerator, you could put it in there. I could put this in the refrigerator, but again, I don't need to because there's nothing that needs to be refrigerated in it. That will change the texture if you put it in the refrigerator. But if you added the milk, the heavy whipping cream, then you definitely want to refrigerate it. But again, this I'm definitely going to use it all tonight. So that was stressful. So yeah, so the key is to keep blending, and it took, you gotta be patient because it's clumpy at first and then you started seeing the oils pressed out. It took 25 minutes to get to the consistency that I like. So this is all the pistachio butter from the 12-ounce bag, and it's actually more than I was expecting. Definitely don't need all of this for the cake, so I will probably end up making Dubai brownies too. I've made them before. I have a video on it because I definitely want to use this pistachio cream up this week. I know everyone's, you know, it's shelf stable, but oh man, That's a lot. That's a lot. So yeah, way cheaper. Even though, I mean, 12 bucks seems like a lot. So keep in mind, a 6-ounce jar at Walmart was $5.97 when they actually had it in stock. And then there's another store called like Fresh Time. They had an 8-ounce jar that was $15. And looking at this, I mean, it's definitely 12 ounces. It could be like, 14 ounces because you add the oil, you add the powdered sugar, it gives it, more. So definitely a lot more pistachio cream than I was expecting. So very happy with that. Very happy how it turned out. So yeah, if you want to make pistachio cream, like you can add heavy cream if you want, but it's not necessary. All it was a little coconut oil and a powdered sugar. And I used coconut oil because I happen to have it. Some people used, I believe it was avocado oil. You want a neutral oil. And so, because coconut oil is expensive, but I had it on hand and I want to use it up. So yeah, pistachio. I guess this is technically pistachio butter because I didn't add any heavy cream to it.